Do you got a dirty, filthy headliner? Let me show you how to clean it. Let's just get locked in here. Okay, so we got a dirty, filthy headliner. You can see how bad it is here. It's just totally caked in grease and soot. And this headliner is exactly like this from front to back. I don't know what was going on in this vehicle. It must have been some kind of campfire and grease party or something. So whenever you clean a headliner, you have to be careful because you could cause the headliner to fall down. So before you even start cleaning this headliner, you got to make sure that it is intact and it's not going to fall down in any sort of way. Moving forward, I'll show you how to clean this headliner in the safest, fastest possible way. So we got our brushes here. We got the cone drill brush here, and we've got this soft white classic drill brush here. This is a 6-inch. I love it. It's absolutely massive. It's by Hoover if you're looking. Hoover sells the best drill brush. Check it out on Amazon. I got this all-purpose cleaner here, and I've got my microfiber here. We're gonna all-purpose cleaner, we're gonna brush, and then we're gonna blot it up with the microfiber. And that's basically gonna be the best way to clean the headliner, the safest and fastest possible way. This thing is absolutely caked with grease, soot, dirt. It's one of the worst headliners I've ever seen. I'll show you how to clean it quickly. Cleaning the headliner I think is absolutely brutal. Every detailer's got their certain area of the car that they don't really like to clean, and the headliner's the one for me. I find it really difficult. You're upside down, you're spraying chems up into the ceiling, and basically everything's gonna come raining down on you. So I've got my eye protection and I've got my respirator here, and I'm just gonna hose this headliner down with my all-purpose cleaner. I'm gonna brush it and everything's just gonna fall down and hit me in the face. It's gonna be horrible. You just gotta do it, get it over with. When you do an interior detail, one of the first things you wanna do is the headliner, because you want to work from the top down. If you clean the whole vehicle on the inside and then you leave the headliner for last, you're going to get everything dirty again, and you definitely want to avoid doing that. You're just going to waste a bunch of time and have to detail the inside twice. Now I'll show you that I'm just going to spray the all-purpose cleaner up into here, and I'm going to drill brush it, and I'm going to blot it up with my microfiber, and it should look perfect. This headliner looks basically black, and we'll get it back to amazing. So I won't be able to talk going forward. I'm going to put my mask on, and then I'll just get straight to cleaning this headliner here. Okay, so I'm not gonna show cleaning the entire headliner, but as you can see from that demo, this area here got tremendously cleaner. It might be hard to see on camera, but it was basically black up in here, especially over here. Okay, and then here's the other side here. I have not touched this side yet. That's how much of a difference it makes using the drill brush, all-purpose cleaner, and a microfiber to blot up the grime. So if you got an absolutely filthy, dirty headliner, that's how you clean it. Don't worry about calling your detailer. Just get yourself some all-purpose cleaner, a cone-shaped drill brush, and a flat, soft white drill brush, some clean cloths, and you can clean your headliner yourself. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. See ya.